everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can switch mode on Bumble application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Bumble application. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on choose mode on the top row. Then you can choose your mode depending on what you are looking for. Here I am switching to BFF mode. Tap on continue with BFF on the last row. So that is how you can easily switch your mode on Bumble application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming video.